In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to a number in Excel. If you've ever had values that look like numbers but won't sum, sort, or calculate correctly, they're likely stored as text. You'll often spot this when numbers are left aligned instead of right aligned, or when a small green triangle appears in the corner of the cell. Let's walk through 3 reliable ways to fix this, and I'll explain when each one makes the most sense. First, the value function. This is great when you want a clean, formula-based conversion. Click an empty cell next to your data and type Atos value A1, replacing A1 with the cell that contains the text number. Press Enter and you'll get a true numeric value that Excel can calculate with. You can then fill the formula down for the rest of your column. This approach is especially helpful when you're building a worksheet that should automatically convert any new entries that come in as text. Next, multiply by 1. This is a quick arithmetic trick that forces Excel to treat the content as a number. In an empty cell, type A11, again pointing to the text cell. Hit Enter, and you'll see a numeric result. Just like before, fill the formula down for the rest of your list. This method is simple and fast, and it works well when you know the cells really do contain only numeric characters. If you're comparing methods, value and multiply by 1 will give the same result for standard numeric text. Finally, use the error icon Fix. This is the most direct way when Excel has already flagged the issue for you. Select the cells that show the green triangle in the corner. You should see a small warning icon appear near the selection. Click that warning icon and then choose Convert to Number. Instantly, the selected cells switch from text to numeric values. This is perfect for a one-time cleanup when your sheet already shows those indicators and you don't need formulas. A couple of quick notes to ensure success. These methods assume the entries are truly numeric text, like 123 or 45.67. If the values include non-numeric characters, the conversion may not work as expected. After converting, try a simple sum or sort to confirm the numbers behave correctly. That's it. 3 straightforward ways to convert text to numbers in Excel using the value function, a quick multiply by 1, or the built-in error icon fix.